Hey everyone, it's Cal Weller. Today I'll show how to download and install World Edit in Minecraft. First, we need World Edit itself. Let's Google World Edit and go to the site. We need to download it here. Go to Files and we need Forge. Yes, there's Forge, World Edit, and Fabric. Forge is for older versions, Fabric for newer ones. So I'll show for newer versions. Here's for World Edit, yes. Click and hit download. We also need Fabric. Fabric Minecraft is essential, otherwise it won't work. Let's go to Fabric. So I downloaded the mod for version. Okay, let's remove the old stuff. I downloaded the mod for version 1.2, 1.8, comma, so we need Fabric for 21.82. There. Open Fabric installer right away. I'll put the mod on my desktop too. Here. We need version 1, 21.8 here. Click Create Profile and install. It's installed. Next, open Minecraft Launcher. If you don't have Minecraft Launcher, type run, then %appdata %. Oops. Click OK, then open Minecraft. Here we'll have a mods folder. Now let's put our world edit here. With Minecraft Launcher, we get Fabric Loader right away. Click on Settings. Here, choose our Fabric Loader. For me, it's 121.8. Click on the folder and then go to the mods folder and drop our mod here. After that, launch the game and everything will work. That's all. This was Weller. Goodbye, everyone.